Hello, third graders. This is lesson 4 of our reading research video. So, lesson 3, boys and girls, you were collecting information across several articles about a subtopic. Today, our target is we are going to synthesize information about one subtopic. So we are going to learn how to fit together information. So this is a really important strategy, and you will use it often when you read and when you collect information. I am going to share some information that I found as I was researching penguins. I was looking at the subtopic of babies, and boys and girls, I found out that in some books it was called growing up. In other books it was called babies or caring for their young. The information that I found about babies in the book Penguins, I don't know if you can see it, says a penguin chick grows quickly. Soon both of its parents have to hunt in order to feed it. While its parents are away, the chick huddles with other chicks for warmth and protection. Okay, and then third graders, I was also looking in this book, it's called The Penguin, and I found more information about baby penguins. This subtitle is called In the Brood. I had to read this several times, and I decided that this is about baby penguins, and I am going to synthesize and fit some of this information together. I don't know if I'll hold this up so you can see the text, but some of the text that I noticed that might go together, the top of this book says, In the Brood. By May, chicks that are well nourished by their parents weigh about 26 pounds. But by September, those chicks that have survived weigh only about 13 pounds. And then it goes on to say, what happened? All during the winter, young penguins stay in their colony, or they gather in groups called creches. The adults leave to hunt, and they will not be back for 5 or 6 weeks. Left alone in this bleak and terrible place, chicks huddle together with their head tucked into their body, clinging to each other to protect themselves from the cold and from predators. So this book had parts about being a baby chick, but it was underneath the subheading In the Brood. And I noticed, did any of you hear how some of this information fit together? I noticed that some of it did. The first article, Growing Up, I typed it out so I could practice fitting together. I'm thinking growing up, a penguin chick grows up quickly. I put a caret there, boys and girls, because I think this is where I can fit together information from my second article. So I'm going to tape this here. Let's see. It's hard to figure out where to put this so you can see it. I'm hoping you can see that. So a penguin chick grows up. I have a caret there, third graders, which means now I want to fit together this information that I gathered from In the Brood. So I would fit these together like so. I would start with, a penguin chick grows quickly. By May, chicks that are well nourished by their parents weigh about 26 pounds. But by September, those chicks that have survived weigh only 13 pounds. Soon, both of its parents have to hunt in order to feed it. While its parents are away, the chick huddles with other chicks for warmth and protection. Do you see how both of these pieces of information are about baby chicks, but one gives me a little bit more information about how the parents are away, and in the brood gives me more information about how the chicks gain weight and then lose weight. So boys and girls, today and every day, as you take notes about one subtopic, I want you to figure out how can you synthesize and fit your information together. So your job is to continue to take notes on one subtopic, and then figure out how you can fit some of that information together. Thank you, and enjoy your research. Read and be kind to each other. And third graders, help your parents. It's really hard to be a parent and be a teacher. They're both full-time jobs. Okay, miss you. Have a great day.